Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel, and this video I'm going to walk through with my new website I have recently created through wax.com. This website I have created totally free without any experience. I don't have any experience to create the website, or I didn't have any study about it. I created with minimum knowledge. I have a basic computer knowledge, so I create totally free. I will walk through what I have on my website, how it look like. If you want to create one, you can create totally free, and if you want to know how I create it, you can leave a comment in my comment box, and I will make a new series about this, how you can create a website look like same I have in mind. So without wasting time, let's go start. I'm on my website here, and that's the home page. First, if you look on my home page, we have a menu bar on the top. I have all the pages on all the folders, whatever you want to show. Home page, all the project videos, recent top videos, our projects, about us, contact us. Actually, my website is a video creator website, but you can use this website to sell or something. You can modify, you can create as you want. And then there's my logo, and also I have my YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you click on one of them, they will take you to my YouTube channel, my Facebook, my Instagram, or my Twitter page. As well, if you click on my logo, it will take you to my YouTube channel too. Any picture I have a link to here, they're gonna take you somewhere to the other page. And if you scroll down, you will see the first thing is called web-based projects. So basically, if you click on this button or you in the picture, they will take you to the next page where gonna be all the web-based videos. And if you go more down, you keep going, there's a DIY wood projects. If you click on that picture, it will take you all my videos about the DIY wood projects. And here I have all the tool reviews. You can click on the picture as well on the button. They both will take you to the same spot, same soundbar reviews. You click on one of them. I have a couple more here: auto repair, smart home and electrical, fun, and others. And all the way bottom, you can see I have a same my YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter links. You can click, you can go on it, and I also have a subscriber bar here, so you can put your email and subscribe. So basically what you're gonna do, when you're gonna put your email here, you're gonna subscribe to me. I'm gonna get your contact information. Anytime I have a new upload or anything, I'm gonna send it through my wax.com all the information about the uploads. And that's all for the main page. If you see, the next one is called all project videos. You can click one of them, it will open the same recent top videos. Actually, I'm not really sure about if I'm gonna keep this folder or not, but this one gonna take you the top 5 or 10 videos I have recently uploaded on my YouTube channel or on my website. Then next will be our projects. If you click on it, it's gonna be here it's gonna take you to this page. There's like my recent projects I have done already. So like I have a new kitchen remodel, my living room, and all kind of projects like that. And the next one is about us. If you click on it, it will tell you about JK Baljit Johal. It's actually about information about art. And I have my intro video over here. As soon as you will open this page, it will open and it will be mute. If you want to hear this music, you gotta click here on the sound button. Then as you see on the bottom, it's gonna be a couple of production pictures or whatever behind the scene. I still have to change couple. So then contact us, you click on contact us, it's gonna take you to this page. And to contact us, you have to put your first name, last name, email, and message you can submit to us. And as you can see, this at the bottom strip gonna see on all pages at the same. You can subscribe through here. And I'm thinking in the future I'm gonna make a couple more projects, and I'm thinking to have something here. I'm gonna add the menu called shop. You can shop through my website. the stuff I will be making. I will be selling on this spot. And now let's go back to the all project videos. If you click all project videos, you can click on anyone. Like say I'm gonna click on Dyewood projects. It will take you to the page where is all the my DIY wood projects are. You can click on anyone. You can watch any video. So let's say we're gonna watch this one. You can full screen, or you can watch like that. So that's the way you can watch any video here. So if you go to the home page, it will take you back to the home page, and I can show you the way I was talking about. You can scroll down. You can like say here tool review. I'm gonna click here or here anywhere. I'm gonna click on a picture. It will take you to the page. It's a tool review. There's a lot of videos about the tool reviews and more coming in future. As you can see, you can have a full screen. You can watch here. So let's go back at home. Now let's talk about the sound review. I'm gonna click on picture button this time, not on the picture. It's same thing. It's gonna take you to the folder what it's saying for. So now we're gonna go back at home again. If you click on my this logo, it's gonna take you to my YouTube channel. It's gonna open another window. So this one brings to at my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have only 819 subscribers. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, I really appreciate if you can subscribe so I can get through 1,000 subscribers, so I can get some money from YouTube and I can invest the money in my tools and my stuff. I'm bringing some more projects in the future. So I'm still working on my website. Once I have done everything and I'm really happy with it, so what I'm gonna try to do, if I have some income from my website or from my YouTube channel, then I'm gonna start having this one my permanent website, and I will buy any paid plan from wix.com, and I will make my URL or my website name more simple and easy. That's all. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.